Okay, so let us solve the extension of remainder theorem. If, remember the theorem, if the polynomial p of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is p of c. That means if you are going to substitute the synthetic divisor 2x in p of x, the result is always the remainder. You could always check the answer using synthetic division. Let us have activity 3, number 1. So using remainder theorem, find the value of k so that when 2x cubed minus 3kx plus k is divided by x minus 3, the remainder is negative 2. So our p of x is 2x cubed minus 3kx plus k. Our divisor is x minus 3. That means the synthetic divisor is positive 3. The remainder is negative 2. If we are going to substitute the synthetic divisor 2x here, that would be equal to the remainder negative 2. So, let's do it. So, we have 2 times 3 raised to 3 minus 3k times 3 plus k. This should be equivalent to the remainder negative 2. Simplifying it, so we have 2 times 3 cubed is 27 minus 3 times 3 is 9k plus k equals negative 2. So this is 27 times 2 is 54. Negative 9k plus k is negative 8k equals negative 2. So by APE, we have negative 8k is equal to negative 2 minus 54. Simplifying the right side, so negative 2 minus 54 is negative 56. Dividing both sides by negative 8, so we have k is equal to positive 7. So therefore, k is equal to 7. That is using remainder theorem. No? So madali lang. So yung c, yung synthetic divisor, sinubstitute lang sa x. And then equate it to the remainder. The remainder is negative 2. Simplify both sides. And then solve for k. So ganun lang. Napaka-simple lang. Now, let's use synthetic divisor. Diba sa synthetic division? Diba sa synthetic division, the last term would always be the remainder. Okay, so using synthetic division, so we have 2 for the coefficient of x cubed. Walang x squared, so lalagyan natin ng 0. Ito ay coefficient of x, so that's negative 3k. And we have the constant term k. The synthetic divisor is positive 3. Okay. And the remainder is negative 2. Ang remainder, remember, ay nasa dulo. So, lalagyan natin dito negative 2. That's for the remainder. Okay. Now, bring down 2. So, 2 times 3 is 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So, negative 3k plus 18, hindi natin pwedeng i-add yan. So, we'll just write it this way. Negative 3k plus 18. Then, multiply. So, negative 3k times 3 is negative 9k. Then, 18 times 3 is positive 54. Okay? Now, I'd like you to focus on the last column. This is the last column. So, pag in-add ko itong dalawa, that should be equal to negative 2. Thus, the equation k plus negative 9k plus 54 is equal to negative 2. So, k, this is minus 9k plus 54 is equal to negative 2. So, this is negative 8k. By APE, ito ay magiging negative 2 minus 54. So, we have negative 8k equals negative 56. Dividing both sides by negative 8. So, we have k is equal to negative 56 divided by 8 is positive 7. So, as you can see, we have the same answer using different method. Okay. Now, maybe you have understood already solving this problem using remainder theorem and synthetic division. So, I'd like you to use any method to solve for this. So, use any method in finding the value of k so that the remainder is 0. In this case, the remainder is 0. Pag synthetic division yan, dapat yung dulo ay 0. Kapag remainder theorem yan, dapat equal to 0. When 2x raised to 4 minus kx cubed plus 5x minus 228 is divided by x plus 3. So, it's your turn now to answer this one. Hopefully, makuha ninyo ang sagot correctly. Good luck!